Hey everyone, it's Dan Wardrope here from Flexxable. So a few of you may or may not know we've been working, myself and my content team, on a what we call an epic viral post, which has taken us 10 weeks to put together. Okay, and this blog post that we've created, God knows how many words, it's big, it's chunky, but we've been doing one little section per week for the last 10 weeks, and we're going to actually turn it into a book in the very near future. Okay, so I'm really excited about this, but it's a good chance for you to read what we've done, and hopefully also share with some friends or family or business colleagues that are looking to build a pay-per-lead agency. So the steps that we've this is a complete guide, okay, to running a pay-per-lead agency. So it's really thorough. I'm so proud of it. It's taken a lot of work, and we're there. So step one is how to choose a niche for your soon-to-be seven-figure agency. How to land clients. So I'm just reading from my computer screen here. How to land clients without testimonials or references. Step 3, building a brand versus one-to-one lead delivery. Step 4, knowing thy customer with avatars and empathy maps. Step 5, building the lead gen funnels that sit behind your brand or the one-to-one delivery. How to set up your first Facebook ad campaign. Setting up a Twitter ad campaign. How to master YouTube advertising. How to optimize your funnels and also partnerships. And then how to grow your agency once you've started to get revenue coming in and you've got some money to reinvest back into your team and hiring and all that type of stuff. So this is, really, really good stuff. I'm super proud of it. As I said, we're going to turn it into a book and dominate the pay-per-lead keyword on Amazon and everywhere else on the internet, because we want to build that SEO presence. So, I'm sure you don't really care too much about that, but what I'm saying is that this is just an incredible bit of content, and I'm excited for you guys to read it. It's now finished, so check it out. There'll be a link below this video, and please do give us the thumbs up on this video on YouTube or whatever, and share and subscribe and all that cool stuff. All right, guys, thank you very much. Appreciate it. Chat soon.